Hello everyone, this is Rizwan Yousaf. Welcome to the video series of creating book information management web app using React.js as frontend and ASP.NET Core APIs as backend. Okay, what we will achieve by the end of this video series, we will have application like you can see, we can perform Crud operations. As you can see, we can save the book information, we can edit the book information, and we can delete the book information, and we will have a whole list of our books which we have entered in our database. Okay, so this is an introductory video what we are going to do in our upcoming video. In the next video, I will create the whole environment of our machine. We will install the Visual Studio Code. We will install MS SQL Server because we are going to use SQL Server as database, and I will install Visual Studio 2022 because we are going to create our APIs in Visual Studio 2022. Okay, we will see in detail how we can create the whole environment of React.js and ASP.NET Core APIs. Okay, in the next video. So stay connected. Thank you.